I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Desi Ghee Churi. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan, add crumbled flatbread, and toast gently until golden. Stir in powdered jaggery or sugar, 1 teaspoon cardamom, and a pinch of salt to balance sweetness. Mix until crumbs are evenly coated and aromatic. Remove from heat and let cool slightly before serving with warm tea or storing in an airtight jar. Start by choosing fresh homemade ghee or high-quality, store-bought ghee for best flavor and texture. Use stale roti or puris crumbled finely for authentic cheery texture, not fresh soft bread that becomes mushy. For sweetness, adjust jaggery or sugar to taste and add roasted nuts for crunch. Keep heat low to avoid burning ghee and cool completely before storing in an airtight jar to extend shelf life. Quick recommendation: if you like hands-free help while cooking, grab the Echo Dot smart speaker for easy timers, music, and recipe prompts. It fits small kitchens and fills a room with clear sound for cooking playlists or timers. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals on the Echo Dot and kitchen picks. Now let's get back to the video. To serve, sprinkle 1 to 2 tablespoons of churi over warm tea or kheer for a comforting bite. Pack small portions in glass jars for gifting and label with date. For longer storage, keep churi in the fridge to extend freshness up to several weeks, or in a cool, dry place for shorter time. Retoast briefly if it softens, and always use a dry spoon to prevent moisture and enjoy anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.